Welcome to my channel's second portfolio update. My journey started in February this year, and this update is on the month of March. In March, I've experienced my first market correction. In this video, I will give you some insights in my transaction during this phase, the current portfolio value, my expected dividends, and my short-term goals. I've started my investing journey early February when the S&P 500 was at an all-time high. Things were looking rather stable. However, by the end of February, things started chasing rapidly, and shortly after the index started dropping. With all the talks about tariffs in the media and everybody going into panic mode, I was thinking which stock to buy next. So what do you do as a beginning investor? I was thinking to further build my defensive portfolio and focus on more real estate stocks. I've noticed that my previous investments in the VICI REIT was more or less insensitive to the drama on the market. But I just passed their ex-dividend date. So I decided to look a bit further and found the Realty Income stock. Realty Income is paying monthly dividends and their value looked reasonable to me. Therefore, in March I've made 3 purchases of the Realty Income stock. The price went up a bit just before the ex-dividend date around the end of the month. 2 of those purchases were my standard account and one of them from my new pension fund. In a future video I plan to explain more about my pension account, and I also plan to discuss the Realty Income REIT in more detail. So make sure to subscribe to the channel to not miss out. So, how did these decisions turn out by the end of March? Fortunately, my REITs seemed rather insensitive for the negativity on the market and were more or less stable. By the end of March, my portfolio reached a value of about $11,000, while at the same time providing for approximately $440 in yearly dividends. If we take a look at the expected dividends payout, I can expect the first payments from VICI in April, followed by monthly payments of my new Realty Income stock. VICI also pays me 2 times more this year, bringing the total of the year already close to my short-term goal of $500 per year. This brings me to the short-term goals of my investment journey and YouTube channel. The first 3 goals were already reached in my previous video, but this month I managed to increase my portfolio size to over $10,000. My next goal is to start a new video series where I discuss different stocks and use some of my recently developed tools to value them. Also, I'm planning to further grow my dividend portfolio to reach at least $500 per year. Thank you for watching my portfolio update, and I hope that it sparked your interest to follow me on this journey. Make sure to like and subscribe to not miss out on any future videos.